Hey guys, are you feeling overwhelmed in your ballet lessons because you don't understand yet how to really do a balancé, how to do it very fluid with arms, coordination and head? Well, then this video is perfect for you because today I'm going to be teaching you how to do balancé and fast, how to do it and tournant, how to do different balancé, the Cuban ballet technique as well the Royal Academy of Dance. So let's get to it. Let's begin on fast classical pose, hands on the hips, no arms coordination yet. We are going to do demi-plie, right leg to the back in coupe, open battement tendu to the side. We're going to transfer body weight over your right leg, left leg goes boop, coupe to the back. We're going to step on that left leg, coupe in front, and tombe to left leg coupe to the back. And repeat everything to the left side. Battement tendu, coupe, coupe, coupe. Now notice that when I do balancé, I don't stay here. I go far, coupe, coupe, and far, coupe, coupe, and the accent 1, 2, 3, and point, toes, toes. Now, as I said at the beginning of this video, there is another way to do balancé that other schools do, and this is how it looks like. Demi-plie, it starts the same, tombe the same, and now point your toes, don't do coupe, and finish coupe. And again, 1, point toes, tombe. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, arms coordination. You can add different arms coordination. For example, we can look away from where we're going. We can look to where we're going. We can do it with big arms. And we don't need to do it the whole time and fast. We can also do it en tournant, which means turning around. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now I'm going to show you a quick combination with music. For more videos like these ones, I would recommend you to click right here, check down below in the description of this video where I'm going to leave a ton of link for you how to improve your ballet technique. In saying that, go ahead, click your next video and let me know how it goes.